my unboxing today will be the Jordan 2 Retro.
Okay, open it up.
See what it looks like. Wow. Oh my God. They look too cool. You want to zoom in? Zoom in. Woo!
All right, give us a 360 look.
The inside. Ooh, they look fly.
They look fire.
And
You see that snake skin?
Yeah.
Turn it around like this. All right, look at that snake skin.
Yeah, everybody gonna be like, I'm wearing this.
Let me see the
snake.
tongue. Show the tongue. The tongue. All right, he's got the old Air Jordan logo. All right, let's look on the inside. Show the other side, this side. That side. Let me see that side. No, not the bottom. This side. Hold it like that. All right, hold it up. Ooh, that snake skin is nice. All right, let's see the back. In the back, it has Nike. You see on the back, it says Nike. Let's see inside the shoe. Let's see what it looks like inside. So, oh, yep. Turn it. Turn it. I can't see, buddy. Inside. Let's take these laces out. Let's look at the inside. It says it has Nike on the inside. Then we look at the toe. Show the toe. Look at the toe. Oh, these are dope. So you give it 2 thumbs up or 2 thumbs down?
I give this a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Oh, that's high. So give me the thumbs up if you give it a thumbs up then. So you give it 2 thumbs up?
I give it a double thumbs up.
Ooh, those are dope. Here you go.